Welcome everybody, Jaye Wellness here with you. Welcome to another exciting edition of the Health Tips and Fun Facts. Today we're going to talk about a fruit that will surely add some sweetness to your day. Take a look. The sweet and tardy berry that I speak of is called the mulberry. The mulberry is very widespread and present in many parts of Southern Europe, the Middle East, Northern Africa, and Indian subcontinents. There is known to be about 10 to 16 species of mulberry. Colors of this delicious berry range between black, red, and white. As you can see here, some of the darker and red and black colored mulberries are indication that it's fully ripe, and they are also extremely sweet at this point. Mulberries have been around for quite some time, but are slowly beginning to get worldwide interest. Mulberries have an impressive nutritional value to them. Also, with their sweet flavor, many are getting creative of the usage of mulberries in their diet, containing an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, riboflavin, dietary fiber, potassium, and iron. When mentioning the word mulberry, many will think about the mulberry tree, but unaware of the delicious fruit it brings. Mulberry trees were well known in ancient civilizations of the world, dating all the way back to the 1500s when the first mulberry tree was planted in England. And to add a fun fact for all you art fans out there, Vincent van Gogh used to feature mulberry trees in some of his paintings. Overall, it's been shown that mulberries can substantially improve your digestive health as well as increasing your blood circulation because of the high amounts of iron content, as well as adding an extra boost to your immune system. But keep in mind, mulberries are only available for a short period of time twice a year. Those times are March and May, then again from October to November. You can usually locate mulberries in your local markets as well as organic stores. If you didn't get a chance to try mulberries this month, just be sure to try it in October and November when they're back in season. Alrighty, my mulberry fans, that concludes our video for today. I hope you all can get a chance to go out there and try a delicious new fruit. You still have a little bit of time in this month, but if you missed it, just be sure to tune back at your local markets in your area to locate by October or November for the next season of mulberries. Before I let you all go, I need to give you one little piece of advice. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Have a very good day, everybody. Take care.